Vegan bodybuilding diet. How to maximize muscle gain to your full potential. Vegan bodybuilding, what a dichotomy. Vascular monstrosities feasting on raw broccoli. However, achieving an ideal physique of shredded muscle mass as a vegan is possible. The focus in an orthodox bodybuilding diet is large consumptions of meat. Meeting your daily protein intake this way is easy. Milk is also utilized successfully during bulking phases. Contrary to popular belief, greens and vegetables contain more protein per calorie than poultry or beef. The challenge is consuming huge amounts of greens to meet your protein requirements. It is not very realistic, especially when you aren't a fan of greens. There are ways for vegan bodybuilders to get enough protein. Meaning, there are sources that vegan bodybuilders can use to get enough protein. One of the best mass builders available is peanut butter. It contains good quality fats and lots of protein. It is also calorie dense and thus great for bulking. I utilize peanut butter in every single protein shake I make while bulking. It tastes great too. Beans are also a great way to get in protein. Beans are high in carbs and protein, making them perfect for putting on lean muscle, especially for vegan bodybuilders. There are lots of recipes that call for beans. Try not to make a mundane eating schedule, try different things to help create healthy eating habits. Stay motivated and stick to your diet. If vegan bodybuilders can do this, they will keep progressing. Another great muscle builder for vegan bodybuilders, oats. Oats are a great way to get in good quality carbs and protein. I have seen oats do wonders for my muscle gains. I have been getting in about 2 cups or 4 servings every day. Oats also contain a lot of great fiber. They should be utilized while in bulking phases. However, they are perfect for carbohydrate days. I notice that I maintain a very full look when I have lots of oats in my diet. They are also great for energy too. Try eating some in the morning. Creatine is crucial for vegan bodybuilders to put on size. Creatine is naturally found in red meats. It donates a phosphate group to ADP so it can form ATP, the main energy source for your body. If you are not consuming any meats, you will not receive it in your diet. No worries though, you can take a creatine supplement to meet your micronutrient goals. I highly recommend you check out Vegan Muscle Diet for more great muscle building secrets. Vegan Muscle Diet was designed to help men and women all over the world get the perfect diet to build muscles as a vegan. They use scientific research and proven studies to create personalized vegan diet plans that maximize muscle building with the correct calories and macronutrients for each individual. For more details, click the link in the description box today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.